Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a critical topic that affects millions of users worldwide, and it's ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts your files, making them inaccessible until a ransom is paid to the attacker. To demonstrate how ransomware works, let's take a closer look at this Python script. This Python script simulates the actions of a ransomware program. It encrypts files on your computer using base64 encoding, rendering them unreadable without the decryption key. Once the files are encrypted, the script prompts the user to pay a ransom to receive the decryption key. This is a common tactic used by cybercriminals to extort money from victims. Fortunately, in this demonstration, we're in control of the ransomware. We can decrypt the files using a predefined key. However, in real-world scenarios, victims may not have this luxury. Ransomware attacks can have devastating consequences for individuals and businesses. It's essential to stay vigilant and take preventive measures to protect your data. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and updates. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe online.